Staring at your picture, dad, pulling up the past, trying to learn about this father that I never had. So young, so wrong, and you're gone. It's only me, mom, Virginia, and God. We're all alone and our leader is not home. The crossroads took you, all these demons below. I'm feeling the cold, you were not here, not there. When I had my first fight, I was so scared. When I had my first kiss, I could not share. I was lost in the school, they did not care. Why'd you leave me hanging from the ceiling? Angel, stop singing and mom's not sleeping. I'm not bitter or mad, I'm just missing a dad. Sitting here thinking, praying, wishing you back. These feelings are whack, almost too much to bear. I know your soul's alive, I just wanna know where. Why'd you leave me? Were you thinking of me, Dad? Do you love me? Then where are you if you do? Why'd you leave me? Were you thinking of me, Dad? Do you love me? Then where are you if you do? Well, I'm all grown up now, moved out of P-Town, married this girl, mom said you'd be so proud. I even slimmed down, I'm hanging with the new crowd. If only you're around, you could see what I can do now. I travel the globe, singing, bringing the hope. Through hip-hop, rock and roll, lifting the soul. They say I look like you, your smiling eyes too. I got mom's hair, thank God I was frightful. I know you can't come back from the past, but the fact that you laughed and the damage is bad. I don't know if mom cares or if she ever got healed, or if she blames you and got over the years.